Namaskar. Peanut butter is one of the most tastiest, nutritious spread which we can make at home. Among commonly consumed nuts and legumes, peanuts are one of the richest sources of protein. They also help reduce the risk of heart diseases and diabetes, when of course consumed in moderation. But did you know that most store bought peanut butter contain added sugar, preservatives, and even hydrogenated oil? So, today I am going to tell you how to make pure homemade sattvic peanut butter using just one ingredient, peanut. You can easily make this at home. You will only need 2 cups of raw peanut. Take organic peanut if possible. To make peanut butter, start dry roasting peanuts on a pan. Peanut should be sauteed on a low heat until it starts spreading its aroma. When they are little cool, rub the peanuts between your hand or use the cloth to remove the skin. This makes butter smoother. Then blend them until the peanut breaks down into a paste. Remove it into a clean dry glass jar. Best to use this butter immediately, but if you have extra, you may store it in a cool place for freshness. Here are more practical tips. Avoid over roasting peanuts to maintain its sattvic energy. Over roasting can also make your peanut butter slightly bitter. Don't add any extra ingredients. Keep it pure and simple. That's the beauty of this recipe. It's best to make in small batches and store them properly. You have seen how simple it is to make peanut butter at home. You don't really have to buy ready-made peanut butter which may contain additives, preservatives, etc. So now that we have homemade peanut butter, let's put it to good use. Here I will give you a recipe for quick and healthy peanut butter and oat porridge that you may have for breakfast or any meal. 1 cup milk. You may take almond milk, soya milk, or even water if you want your porridge very light. Take half a cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of your sattvic peanut butter, 1 tablespoon date paste, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. This is optional. Chopped almonds or any other seeds on top. Begin by heating a milk or water over medium heat. Add 1 cup of rolled oats and stir. Let it be there for 5 to 7 minutes until the oats soften and absorb the liquid. Once the oats are soft and creamy, stir in our sattvic peanut butter and date paste. Mix well until the peanut butter melts into the porridge, making it rich and smooth. Then add cinnamon powder and few chopped dates or raisins for natural sweetener. Pour the porridge into a bowl. Top it with soft almond banana slices, sunflower seeds, or grated coconut. Serve warm and enjoy your wholesome breakfast. In this recipe, oats are rich in fiber, helps digestion and keeps you full for longer. Peanuts provide healthy fat and protein for energy. Dates are natural iron-rich sweeteners, and cinnamon supports your digestion and balances blood sugar. Did you know that if you eat peanuts regularly, you can reduce your risk of heart disease? This is because peanut contains heart-friendly monounsaturated fat, essentials vitamin like B complex, and minerals such as magnesium and potassium. Scientists have found that peanut also contains resveratrol. This is a compound that supports longevity and brain function. That means person will have a healthier and longer life if you eat peanuts regularly. Just a word of caution here. Some people may have an allergy to peanuts, so they should choose some other nuts which are good for them. Those who do not have such an allergy should have peanuts in moderation. So try making this sattvic peanut butter today. It is more than just a dip or a spread. It is a nutritious addition to a balanced diet. Remember, such small choices makes a big difference in your overall health. Namaskar.